Large amounts of secondary raw material are stored in the German recycling companies of the Dual system. Due to the large number of combustible materials, there is a particularly high risk of fire in these companies. Especially in this branch, fire causes damages of more than 100 million marks every year. The extremely high amount of dust and exhaust gases of diesel vehicles often lead to false alarms when conventional smoke detection technology is used. Only the specific application of air sampling smoke detection systems guarantees the required early detection of smoke. Essentially, an air sampling smoke detection system consists of a pipe system that is installed on the ceiling and a detection unit. In order to detect smoke particles, air samples are regularly taken from the monitored area. These air samples are then passed to the detection unit via the pipe system. The following diagram will illustrate the function of an air sampling smoke detection system. Via defined air sampling points, air samples are regularly taken from the monitored area. The airflow is passed to the detection unit via the pipe system. According to the project planned, self-adhesive aspiration-reducing film sheets are attached on the air sampling points and are then fixed in place by means of industrial tape. When an air sampling point becomes blocked, the system detects an airflow fault and sends a signal to the central fire detection unit. Even damage such as pipe fractures are reliably detected and reported. The detection unit contains a sensitive optical smoke detector to which smoke particles are passed via the pipe system. By means of intelligent detector technology combined with signal processing algorithms, the detector distinguishes between a real fire and a false alarm. Depending on the decision made by the detector, the central unit then decides if in fact this is an actual fire. By means of WAGNER air sampling smoke detection systems, it is possible to reliably protect the critical areas of recycling companies from fire. Actively taking air samples combined with highly sensitive intelligent detector technology offers the highest safety due to the earliest possible smoke detection. Using algorithmic analysis, the interferences, dust, and exhaust gases are not considered significant so that the functioning of the smoke detection system will not be impaired. It is not necessary to reduce the system's sensitivity in order to avoid false alarms. On the contrary, in spite of interferences, highly sensitive smoke detection can in fact be guaranteed. Air sampling smoke detection systems can be installed quickly and effectively. In addition, they are especially suitable to be used in production halls with high and not readily accessible ceilings. Particularly for employees working in critical areas, this smoke detection technology can be life-saving. Together with local fire prevention experts, WAGNER has developed complete system solutions for daily use. One example is the recycling company Tunsmeyer in Porta Westfalica, Germany. After a fault-free test operation lasting several weeks, 2 air sampling smoke detection systems have been compared under neutral conditions. 3 recycling bags filled with plastic waste in a garbage container served as fire material. After the bags have been ignited, the fire develops, producing a large amount of smoke. The smoke rises and moves towards the open gate. The WAGNER air sampling smoke detection system has already detected the smoke in fewer than 2 minutes. Here you can see the central units of both systems. On the left-hand side is the WAGNER central unit. On the right-hand side, the competitor system, which has still not indicated an alarm, even after 6 minutes. For another test, 8 polyurethane mats are ignited. The WAGNER system detects the fire after about 2 minutes, whereas the competitor system has not yet indicated there is even a fire. The test is stopped after 10 minutes. The protocol of the company Tunsmeyer and the statement of the members of the Hausberge Fire Department support the clear results. Quote, "This series of tests have proved the WAGNER system's efficiency," end of quote. WAGNER air sampling smoke detection systems are suitable for fault-free application in production halls, parking garages, deep freeze areas, floor voids, and rack installations. There are many application possibilities for WAGNER air sampling smoke detection systems. One of them is the right solution for your company. WAGNER, the better solution in the field of fire prevention.